Guys, what's up? And well, yes, today it's a car review. So we're gonna do like normal cars, like not to supercars to futuristic cars, because that's all the ones I have. So anyway, this is the first car, as you can see. It looks like a van, but it isn't. Here's a close look. Yes. Okay. And it's really big. Really big. You can see me. You can see me. That was crazy. Okay, next car. Now we have got this one. Actually, wait, let me just do something. Look inside it. Okay, and then that one. Yeah, oh, it's also got that. Okay, next car. I'm actually going for this one since, like, all my other ones are like sporty cars. But anyway, this one. There we go. So, this one. It's pretty much like a normal car, but with like words on it. Can you see? I don't say anything, but have a close look inside. There we go. I think it's actually a 2-seat. No, it's a 5-seater. Okay, and that's the front. Next car will be this one. This one looks really cool, doesn't it? It's kind of like one of those truck things, like where you like put stuff inside and then it's like car and truck, but not car, it's not truck. Look at the wheels. It's a Hot Wheels. Just look at the wheels, but yeah, have a close look again. Okay, and the next one, I'm actually going to go for this one. Look at it. How it's so like you can't even see like where everything is. Like, it's just silver, including the seats. The seats are silver. Just have a close look inside. Okay. Next car. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Yep. Yeah. Look, it looks like it's a monster, but you can't see it now, can you? Have a close look. The wheels first, and then close look. Okay, next car. Oh no, I think let's just put these two together. Look at them. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. These guys have like spikes, right? Yeah. Okay, anyway. The next one, yep, now I'm at the future one, girls. Ha ha ha. Ha. Okay. Anyway, so this one, it has like, can you see like, so you can see it in it easily. Okay, you can see it. Okay. This is the last car. Future. It has an X on it, and I think, like, maybe it might be like Roman numerals, like, yeah. And so 10. On here it says lift, and I've been trying to lift it up, but it doesn't lift. Oh, and I forgot to show you something. Look at that. This is orange, so it's called clay, and then it's got the engine. It's like not even an engine. So it's not. Just have a good look at that. Just have a good look. Well, it's actually 3-seater. You see, like one there, and one there and one there. Okay, and this is it from a clear area. and wait. Just going to see all the cars together. Ready? 2, 1. Yep, that's all the cars together. Just going to put this one. Okay.
Yeah.
And bye. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. I think